Hey, I'm William Ferns and I'll keep this as short as possible. So you want a MVP for an email pixel tracking service, right? So what you want to do is you want to track like the opens on an email for the users of the service. So as you specified, you want the backend and also a simple front end dashboard, right? So I'll just give you like recommendations for the tech stack or the technologies that I'll use to develop this service or this MVP. I'm open to change it, but this is just what I'm quite good in, right? So we can use Fast API for developing the API endpoints. For the front end, we can go with React. We can go for with the database, we can go with something simple like Firebase or any SQL based database like Supabase or Postgres, and maybe host your database on AWS. It doesn't really matter. My specialty is basically Firebase because I've used it in countless projects, in my own project, and with a bunch of bounties in the past as well. So this is just a recommendation. I'm open to change it if needed. So the way I'll do this, I'll make like a simple endpoint where it can be, I will make a simple endpoint to get the image, right? The one by one pixel, and then I'll make another endpoint called like something like tracking, and then we can track like the IP address, the opens, and everything that you specified in the bounty um, description, right? So this will be quite easy to do. I'll get this done within 2 to 3 days max. The reason why I tell you this is because I've completed two iOS applications too, right? Both of them took me like 3 to 4 days. Actually 3 days, right? So if you were to click on my profile, you'll see that the I have two iOS applications. They are not completed yet. I'll provide links to like videos of showcasing it, but they are not completed. Like the bounty is still open. The only reason because of that is because I need to help the client with setting up the applications, right? So I know this is a little bit of a side tangent, but I can get this done within 2 to 3 days max. It's quite simple. I'm really proficient in React, Fast API, and Firebase, and using Clerk for like user authentication. So this will be very easy to complete, right? So here's my offer. If you want to complete this as fast as possible and with the highest quality code and service that a bounty hunter can deliver, then you'll accept me because I make a promise. I'll make sure you are satisfied with the work I deliver and with the code. I'll also make sure to complete this way before the deadline. You said you want it done in 2 weeks' time, like February 10th or something like that. I'll get it done within 2 to 3 days. So yeah, let's work together and peace.